$18,000. That's how much tech and appliances the average American family has in their home. Hard to believe, isn't it? That's why I'm going on an expedition deep into the heart of suburbia to see firsthand how people and technology cohabitate in their average households. Join me and discover how much technology people have in their homes and how much it really costs. Meet Kayla, a 35-year-old mother of two. Her offspring have just left for school and now she's ready for her morning yoga routine. But wait, she's starting the Roomba first. And that's where we'll start our list. Robot vacuum, $200. In the living room, she sets the stage to begin her workout.
Alexa, start my morning yoga routine.
Okay, morning yoga is enabled.
I can see a good bit of technology in this environment. A smart speaker, television, a home theater system. She's even wearing a smartwatch. Fascinating. One room in and we've already gathered some extensive data here. Now let's go into the home office and observe what Dad is up to. Here we see Chad, 38 years old, a work-from-home project manager that clearly relies on his technology to get through the day. There's a lot to unpack here, so let's see what we can discover. Here we are, a nice web camera, an extra monitor, ooh, a VR headset. Very cheeky there, Chad. Ah yes, a printer, a router, and even a security camera. Well, it seems that even after just 2 rooms in this very average house, we've uncovered quite a bit of technology. But 18,000... It sounds like Kayla's on the move. Quick, let's go. There she is. Quiet now. We don't want to disturb her. Incredible. Look at all this stuff. A tablet, headphones, a portable gaming system. Oh, watch out, here she comes. Oh, that was a close one. Let's keep following her, shall we? A smart thermostat, smoke detectors, and of course, a washer and dryer. Classic.
Hey baby, have you seen the mustard?
It should be right in front of you.
Quite an astonishing sight. Technology hiding in every corner. Refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, and even a smart hub. It is surprising once you immerse yourself in it and put it to paper the amount of technology we have in our homes. Let's add it up. Well, here we are. Chad and Kayla's family has approximately $17,000 worth of technology in their home. Impressive, and not hard to believe after seeing it firsthand. Do you know how much technology you have in your home? Visit Asurion.com/techcare and use our device calculator to find out. While you're there, learn more about how to protect your devices with Tech Care. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.